Students, previous video you are learned parts of a circle, related definitions and important points. Okay students, now we have to see some of the properties. Property number 1. There is only one circle passing through three non-collinear points. Okay, it is a one word question. There is only one circle passing through three non-collinear points. Students, property number 2. The perpendicular from the center of a circle to a chord bisect the chord. Okay, the perpendicular from the center of a circle to a chord bisects the chord. Okay, you have to refer with this diagram. It is a chord AB. This perpendicular line OC divides the chord equally. Okay, this perpendicular line divides this line AB equally. What is this meaning? AC is equal to this distance. AC is equal to CB. Suppose it is 2 centimeter, this also 2 centimeter. AB is equal to 8 centimeter. This perpendicular line divides equally. What is that meaning? AC is equal to CB is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay students, yes. Then property number 3. The line joining center of the chord and the midpoint of a chord is perpendicular to the chord. The line joining the center of a circle and the midpoint of the chord is perpendicular to the chord. Again you have to refer with this. The line joining of the center of the circle. From this center of the circle to this chord you have to draw one line. This line joining the center of the circle, the midpoint of the chord is perpendicular to the chord. That what is this meaning? This OC is perpendicular to AB. Okay students, yes, using these two properties we have to solve this problem. Example 4.5. Find the length of a chord which is at a distance of 2 root 11 centimeter from the center of the circle of radius 12 centimeter. It is very important problem, repeated problem. Okay students, yes. For this given problem you have to draw the diagram. First the given problem you have to draw the diagram. Okay, you have to draw the circle. Yes, you draw one chord AB. Okay, chord means you know, yes, the end points lies on the circle, chord AB. Okay, you have to draw, yes, like this you have to draw with the help of scale. Okay, chord AB. Now you have to denote the measurements. The length of the chord, find the length of the chord. We want to find length of the chord, which is at a distance of 2 root 11 centimeter from the center of the circle. What is given? Center of the, from the center of the circle, the chord, the distance between center of the circle and chord is 2 root 11 centimeter. Okay students, yes, for using this we have to find the length of the chord. Also given radius. Radius of the circle is 12 centimeter. Radius means you know the distance between center to the circumference. Okay, yes, now you get one right angled triangle. We get one right angled triangle. For this right angled triangle, Pythagoras theorem. Okay students, so you are learned in 8th standard, just we have to recall. In a right angled triangle, hypotenuse 90 degree opposite is called hypotenuse. This hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. Okay, so that is BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. Okay students, yes, this is the Pythagoras theorem. In a right angled triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. This is the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, make remember this statement. Okay, hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the square of other two sides. Okay students, yes. Okay, now we have the right angled triangle OAC. Okay, now you have to write AB is the chord. AB is the chord. C is the midpoint of AB and OC is perpendicular to AB. Okay, we have to join OA and OC. Okay, students. Yes, OA is the radius. So you have to write OC equal. You have to write. This is no need to write these steps. Okay, these two steps no need. OA is the radius. This is okay. This is no need. Okay. Given OC is equal to 2 root 11 centimeter, OA is equal to 12 centimeter. Now in a right angle triangle OAC by the Pythagoras theorem. So what is the Pythagoras theorem? For here, what is the hypotenuse? Suppose you need, you have to draw separately. It is OAC, which is hypotenuse 90 degree opposite. Yes, students. OA square is equal to, other two sides is, what is other two sides? OC square plus AC square. Okay, we want to find AC, you know. So AC square is equal to, you have to transpose this OC square this side. Okay, so this is written as OA square minus OC square is equal to AC square. This OC transposed to right hand side. So it's become minus. So this is written as AC square is equal to OA square minus OC square. Okay, OA square value, OA is 12. Yes, 12 square minus 2 into root 11 whole square. So it is 144. For 2 into root 11 whole square. So that is equal to 2 square into root 11 whole square. The square and square root cancel. So 4 into 11. So that is equal to 44. So 144 minus 44, that is equal to 100. AC square is equal to 100. This implies AC. AC is equal to root 100. So that is equal to 10 centimeter. Yes, the length of the chord AB is equal to AB. So these two times AC. So we have to add AC plus CB. So that is 2 times AC. We found up to this AC value we found. So we need to find the full AB. So 2 times AC. 2 into AC, that is 2 into 10. That is equal to 20 centimeter. Have you understood this, students? Yes. For Pythagoras theorem, make remember, for unknown what we want to find, that you have to keep on the left hand side. Remaining you have to transpose to that side. Okay. Listen, students, exercise 4.3, first problem. The diameter of the circle is 52 centimeter and length of one of its chord is 20 centimeter. Find the distance of the chord from the center. Listen, student, first you have to draw the diagram. You have to draw one circle, then you have to denote the center point. Then you have to draw one chord AB. Yes, for diameter, for what is given? Diameter of the circle 52 centimeter. Diameter means, you know, the chord passes through the center point. Yes, this is called a diameter. For it is for here to here, for it is radius. OA is radius. So it is 26. For remaining is 26. Totally 52. 26 centimeter. Okay, now what is given, also given the chord is 20 centimeter. Chord 20 centimeter. So this perpendicular line divides the chord equally. Yes, what is this meaning? This is 10 centimeter, this also 10 centimeter. Okay, we want to find, what we want to find the distance of the chord from the center. Distance between center point and chord we want to find. We want to find this distance OC we want to find. Okay, students. Yes, first you have to draw the diagram. Okay, then you have to write OC is perpendicular to AB. This implies OC is perpendicular to AB by the property AC is equal to CB is equal to 10 centimeter. Now you get one right angled triangle. Yes, OAC. In right angled triangle OAC. Okay, in right angled triangle OAC, OA square is equal to OC square plus AC square. So you have to transpose this side. OA square minus AC square is equal to OC square. So that is OC is equal to square root of OA square minus AC square. So you have to substitute the values. OA is 26 square minus 10 square. 26 square value is 676 minus 100. So that is equal to 576. For root 576 value is 24. So OC is equal to 24 centimeter. Okay, students, OC is equal to 24 centimeter. Second question, the chord of length 30 centimeter is drawn at a distance of 8 centimeter from the center of a circle. Find the radius of the circle. previous problem we find distance between center to the chord, but here length of the chord and the distance between center to the chord is given. We want to find radius of the circle. For this problem, you have to draw the circle, then draw the chord AB, then perpendicular line OC. What is given in the question? The chord of length 30 centimeter. Full length is 30 centimeter, so this is 15, this also 15 because OC is perpendicular to AB. So this perpendicular line divides this chord equally, 15, 15. So distance between center to the chord is 8 centimeter. We want to find this radius. Okay, or we want to find. First you have to write OC is perpendicular to AB. This implies AC is equal to CB is equal to 15 centimeter. In right angled triangle OOAC, that is hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the square of other two sides, AC square plus OC square. Yes, so that is AC square value 8 square plus 15 square. Okay, so that is equal to 64 plus 225, that is equal to 289. 289, which one square number? 17 square, so that is equal to 17. You have to write AC square plus OC square, that is 8 square plus 15 square or 15 square plus 8 square. Okay, so that is you get 64 plus 225, that is 289, their value is 17. So radius of the circle is equal to 17 centimeter. Listen student, third question. Find the length of the chord AC where AB and CD are two diameters perpendicular to each other of circle with radius 4 root 2 centimeter, and also find angle OAC and angle OCA. First you have to draw the diagram. Okay, you have to draw the circle, and what is given? Two chords AC and AB. You have to draw the chord AC. Yes, you have to draw the chord AC. Yes, it is chord. Two diameters AB and CD. Okay, it is a chord. You have to draw two diameters AB and CD. These two diameters are perpendicular. These two are perpendicular. So the intersecting point denotes 90 degree. Okay, yes, with radius 4 root 2 centimeter. For radius, for it is a radius, OB is equal to 4 root 2 centimeter, 4 root 2 centimeter, 4 root 2 centimeter. This also 4 root 2 centimeter. You know, all the radii of the circles are equal. Okay, students? Yes? Okay. Now, in a triangle OAC, for in this triangle, you have to consider OAC, this triangle, this is 90 degree. Why it is 90 degree? Because AB and CD are perpendicular. Okay, yes. Now, in triangle OAC, for these two are equal, these two lengths, because OA is radius, OC is also radius. So, all the radii are equal. So, 4 root 2, this also 4 root 2. For in triangle, any two sides are equal, it is called isosceles triangle. Okay, this is a isosceles triangle with angle 90 degree. So we know the property sum of three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So for this angle plus this angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degree. This angle how you write? Angle OAC. For this is how you write? OCA. This is angle AOC. Vertex you have to keep in middle is equal to 180 degree. So that is, for this is 90 degree, you know. So angle OAC plus OCA is equal to 180 degree minus this is 90 degree. So angle, subtract these two, it is 90 degree. OAC is equal to OCA. These two angles are equal. How it is these two are equal? Because equal sides making angle also equal. For these two are equal side, these two equal sides making angle also equal. So this angle is equal to this angle. So angle OAC is equal to OCA. So two angle OAC is equal to 90 degree. Okay, students. Yes, so that is angle OAC is equal to 90 degree by 2, that is 45 degree. OAC is 45 degree. This implies angle OCA also 45 degree. Okay, we want to find the length of the chord. For this length we want to find. You have to consider this right angled triangle. For 90 degree opposite is called a hypotenuse. So that is AC square is equal to OA square plus OC square. Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so that is AC is equal to root of OA square plus OC square. OA value is 4 root 2 whole square. It is also 4 root 2 whole square. So that is 4 root 2. 4 root 2 whole square is written as 4 square into root 2 square. Square and square root cancel. So that is 16 into 2. So that is equal to 32. Okay, so this is 16 into 2 plus 16 into 2. So that is equal to root of 32 plus 32. So that is equal to root 64, that is 8 centimeter. Next to fourth question, a chord is 12 centimeter away from the center of the circle of radius 15 centimeter. Find the length of the chord. What is given? The distance between center to the chord is 12 centimeter. Radius is 15 centimeter. We want to find length of the chord. Listen students, you have to draw the circle. Okay, you have to draw the circle. What is given? The distance between center to the chord. So that is 12 centimeter away from the center of the circle. Yes, the chord is 12 centimeter away. So the 12 OC is equal to 12. Radius is 15. This also 15. Okay, you have to consider this right angle triangle OAC, for it is hypotenuse. OA square is equal to OC square plus AC square. So AC square is equal to OA square minus OC square. Yes, that is equal to OA square minus OC square. OA value is 15. 15 square minus 12 square. So that is 225 minus 144. So subtract this to root 81, that is equal to 9 centimeter. For this is 9 centimeter. Yes students, yes. This is 9 centimeter. For this also 9, because this perpendicular line divides the line AB equally. So you have to add, we need to find AB. So 9 plus 9 is equal to 18 centimeter. Length of the chord is equal to 18 centimeter.